Hey family, it's Brittany Bell with another Power Parent moment. Do you have kids or even know of any that enjoy digging in the yard and finding some really cool things? Well, I think we have the gift for you today. Join us as we unbox the Discovery Gemstone Kit. All right, here we go. Welcome back to our channel. If you have not yet, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our content here at Power Parent, where we know the smart starts at home. So our family has been on the continuous hunt for more STEM and STEAM toys for our kids to enjoy and continue their learning process through play. I've ran into another interesting one. Those who are interested in science, if you have kids who are always in the yard, digging, finding rocks, bringing those dirty rocks inside, dirtying up your house, this may be something they are interested in. So we'll go ahead and start opening up right now. Again, we are reviewing the Discovery Gemstone Kit. Now, as a quick family hack, anytime we do as a arts and craft or any type of activity that may make a mess, we always cover our kitchen table with a twin size fitted sheet. That way we can just roll it up, dust it off, and throw it in a washing machine. So inside the kit, you will find one pair of safety goggles, a mallet, chisel, magnifying glass, a paintbrush, streak test, and the actual gems. Now here my son attempts to begin breaking into this thing. I believe he realized that it was a little harder than he expected. I think he thought it was just gonna come apart. My daughter notices that she sees something already, so they're already kind of getting excited. This actually took a lot of work. My 4-year-old attempted to use the mallet and the chisel, but it was a little bit more difficult for her. So we decided that her job would be to paint off the gemstones, to brush all the debris away. And her job was to also clean the gems once my son finally broke them loose. So it was definitely a team effort. I was really pleased that they were able to find something that they can do together and work and communicate, and all the good learning experiences that come with that as they learn and play. Now, this was really cool. Once they broke all of their gemstones free, there were 11 of them, they were able to match them up. And look here, we have some really happy future geologists. So parents, what did we think about the Discovery Gemstone Dig Kit? It was awesome. We are super excited about it. I cannot express how fun that experience was for me and for the kids. For the kids, even though I have a 4 and 7-year-old, they were both able to actively participate in the process of excavating the gemstones. Some cool vocabulary was able to come out of that. We were able to talk about being a geologist and what geology is. We were able to use the word excavate, which is definitely a tier 3 word. If you want to know more about tiers, check out this video right here. All right. So if you are interested in giving your kids or kids that you love an experience that allows them to be hands-on, those kinesthetic learners, those experiences that will make the learning more concrete for them, please consider this particular toy. For the price point of $12.97, of course, not bad. Even though it is a one-time experience type of toy, they get to keep the gemstones, which can keep the conversation going and spark that interest, for they may want to continue studying gemstones and going into rocks and understanding the real science behind the earth in general. So Power Parents are really super excited about this one. So if you are interested, please look below. I have left a link for you to go ahead and make sure you can start making your way towards making sure this is a gift under your tree this year, or for a birthday, or just I love you gift, because I want you to learn. All right, that is it for us today. I hope that you enjoyed our review. Remember that you have to subscribe so you know when the content is coming, and you can get these reviews as well as other important parent information that we provide on our channel. So if you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe, and remember, love your kids, and smart starts at home. Bye.